Think you're doing pull-ups, right? Be honest. Are you actually lifting yourself up? Or just surviving gravity for a few seconds and calling it a rep? Here's the truth. Most people aren't doing pull-ups. They're doing half-hang, shoulder-straining, bicep-burning imitations that build frustration, not strength. But by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to perform pull-ups that feel powerful, smooth, and actually build muscle. Let's start with what goes wrong. Because real progress begins when you see your mistakes clearly. The first and biggest mistake: shrugged shoulders. Most beginners jump to the bar and immediately start pulling with their arms. Their neck tightens, shoulders rise, and all the pulling power disappears. Remember this cue: shoulders down and back before you pull. That's your foundation. Mistake number 2, half reps. If your elbows never straighten fully, you're cheating yourself. Start from a complete dead hang, and only count the rep when your chin goes clearly above the bar. Every inch matters. Mistake number 3, swinging legs. Momentum might make you feel stronger, but it steals the strength you're supposed to build. Your body should move as one solid unit, tight, controlled, and still. And mistake number 4, neck reaching forward. Trying to reach the bar with your chin pulls your traps and ruins your posture. Instead, think chest to bar. When your chest rises first, your chin naturally follows. Now let's uncover the secret most people never learn. Pull-ups are not about your arms. The real power comes from your core and scapula, the anchor muscles that stabilize everything. Think of your body like a skyscraper. If the base shakes, the top can't stand tall. Your core is that base. So before you even start pulling, hang from the bar and pull your shoulders slightly down and back. Feel that tension in your lats? That's your foundation activating. Now squeeze your abs and glutes tight. No movement yet, but everything's switched on and ready. Let's build your perfect pull-up step by step. Start with the grip. Hands slightly wider than shoulder width. Thumbs wrapped around the bar for control. Imagine trying to bend the bar slightly. That subtle tension instantly switches on your lats. Next, set your shoulders. Before you pull, pack them down and back, and think of it like locking your shoulder blades in place. This is your launch pad. Now comes the pull. Drive your elbows down and back, not up or out. Picture pulling your elbows into your back pockets. This is where your lats take charge, not your biceps. As you rise, lead with your chest, not your chin. Bring your chest toward the bar, smooth, controlled, and confident. When your chin clears the bar, pause for a moment. Squeeze your shoulder blades together. Feel the peak contraction in your back. No jerking, no rushing, just strength under control. Then comes the descent and the most underrated part. Lower yourself slowly, counting to 2. Stay tight. Don't just drop. That's where true muscle is built. In control, not in motion. At the bottom, pause for a full hang before starting again. This pause resets your form and prepares you for the next perfect rep. If you struggle to do even one full pull-up, don't worry. Everyone starts somewhere. Start with negative pull-ups, jump to the top position, then lower yourself slowly for 5 seconds. That eccentric phase builds strength faster than you think. If you feel the burn only in your arms, shift your focus. Drive your elbows toward your ribs and tighten your core. Let your back take over. Try scapular pull-ups as a warm-up. Hang, pull your shoulders slightly down, then relax again. Tiny movement. Massive payoff. It strengthens the small stabilizers that keep your form clean. And once you get stronger, level up with pause pull-ups. Stop halfway, hold for 2 seconds, then continue. You'll build on real mid-range control and break plateaus easily. Here's another secret pro lifters know. The first rep starts before you even leave the ground. Your setup, grip, posture, core tension decides everything. Never rush it. Take a breath. Engage your body and own the pull. Your breathing matters too. Exhale as you pull yourself up. Inhale as you lower down. Controlled breathing keeps your body tight and rhythm steady. Remember, quality beats quantity every single time. 5 flawless pull-ups are worth more than 15 sloppy ones. Because every rep done right teaches your body better coordination, posture, and muscle control. Pull-ups aren't just about muscles, they're a skill. Every correct rep improves your nervous system's ability to fire the right muscles in sync. That's why practice with precision matters more than brute force. If you ever hit a plateau, change your grip. Try neutral grip or chin-up variations to balance your biceps and lats. Variation keeps progress alive. Want to make it harder? Add a pause at the bottom. Hold tension for 2 seconds, then explode upward. This trains explosive strength and builds grip endurance. When fatigue hits, your form is the first thing that slips. That's when discipline matters most. Keep your shoulders packed, core tight and legs still. Finish your set strong. Recovery is just as important. Stretch your lats and forearms. After every pull-up session, to avoid stiffness and promote flexibility, stronger doesn't mean tighter, it means controlled. Now let's recap your perfect pull-up form. Full hang at the bottom. Shoulders down and back, core and glutes tight. Elbows drive down and back, chest rises to the bar. Slow descent, pause and repeat. Here's your challenge. Right after this video, do 10 perfect pull-ups, not fast, not sloppy, just controlled. Powerful movement. Even if you can't finish all 10, keep your form flawless. Pull-ups aren't a test of strength. They're proof of consistency. Master your form, build control, and you'll own every rep. You've got this, now go crush it. And if this video helped you, hit that like button, share it with someone still fighting the pull-up, and subscribe for the next one, where I'll show you how to double your reps in just 2 weeks.